I'm Jelena. I'm a project manager here at Quiltcraft, and in this video I'm going to show you how to measure your window for drapery treatments, fill out our measure sheet form, and how to submit those measurements to your point of contact here at Quiltcraft. Let's get started.
Our first measurement is ceiling to top of window. Start with your measuring tape at the ceiling and measure to the inside of the window at the top. For our window, this looks like 22.5 inches, which we write in column A. To measure left of window, start with your measuring tape at the leftmost corner and stop at the left inside of the window. For our window, this measurement is 44 3/4, which goes in column B. For the window to P-tack measure, you'll start at the windowsill and stop at the top of the P-tack. In our window, we don't have a P-tack, but if we did, let's imagine the top of the P-tack is about 13 inches below the windowsill. To measure right of window, start with your measuring tape at the right inside of the window and stop at the rightmost corner of the wall. For this window, this measures at 44.5 inches. If along the wall, there's something that could potentially be covered up by drapery that you want to leave uncovered, like a light switch, a sign, or any furniture or fixtures, make sure that you stop your measuring at that point. For measuring window width, you'll start from the inside left portion and measure to the inside right portion. Our measurement is 48 inches. For measuring window length, start your measuring tape at the top inside of the window and stop at the windowsill. Our measurement is 35 3/4 for this window. If you have existing drapery, measure the existing hardware track and note the width in column G. This is as simple as measuring from one end of the track to the other. You'll also want to notate the existing drapery stack, which could be a left, a right, or center open. To find this, you'll look at what side the master carrier is on. Or, if it's a center open, you'll have two masters on the same track. On this piece of hardware, our master carrier is on the left side, so this is a left stacking treatment. For measuring wall to wall, start at the leftmost corner of the wall and measure all the way to the opposite corner. Our measurement is about 137.5 inches. To measure ceiling to P-tack, start measuring from the ceiling to the top of the P-tack unit. Since we're imagining there being a P-tack unit for this window, let's say our ceiling to P-tack measurement is 71 inches. Our last measurement is the ceiling to floor measurement. Measure from the ceiling all the way until you reach the finished floor. For this window, this measure is 94 1/4 inches.
Be sure to send us a photo and label it accordingly on the measure sheet form. The reason for this is that we want to be able to look at this window with you virtually and address any concerns. If you have any other questions about measuring, or if you want to check out any of our other resources, please feel free to visit www.quiltcraft.com. See you next time.